Hey there! Have you ever wondered if there might be other forms of life out there in the universe? Well, you're not alone. People have always been curious about this. For a long time, we thought Earth was the only place with life, but some recent discoveries in Mexico are changing that idea. In this video, we'll talk about these exciting findings that suggest there might be aliens. Sounds interesting, right? Stick around to the end and you'll be amazed. First of all, let's have a brief account of these two topics: life on Earth and extraterrestrial life. Life on Earth is a combination of all the living things we find here on our planet. Earth is pretty unique because it's just got the right conditions to support life as we know it. But when we look out into the universe, it makes us wonder, are we the only ones here? Our gut feeling tells us probably not. Scientifically speaking, we are still working on proving the existence of life beyond Earth. You see, just because we can't explain something right now, it doesn't mean it's not out there. We are on a journey to uncover the mysteries of the cosmos. And who knows what we might find. Now, let's take a closer look at the concept of extraterrestrial life, also known as alien life. It's a notion that has fascinated people for a very long time. Basically, it's all about the idea that life, similar to the many different forms we see on Earth, could exist somewhere else in the vast universe. This could mean anything from tiny, microscopic organisms to highly advanced civilizations living on planets, moons, or other celestial bodies apart from Earth. When we think about the hunt for extraterrestrial life, we might envision space travelers or strange, exotic creatures. But the search often begins with the most basic life forms. So, even though we are dreaming big and reaching for the stars, we are also exploring the tiniest building blocks of life in our quest to understand what might be out there in the cosmos. Looking for aliens isn't just a scientific endeavor. It has deep significance in scientific, philosophical, and existential terms. This quest raises some big questions about our place in the grand scheme of things, the nature of life itself, and the idea of having cosmic companions. If we were to discover life beyond Earth, it would be a game changer. It would shake up our view of the cosmos. Instead of life being a one-of-a-kind thing confined to Earth, it might be a widespread phenomenon across the universe. This would be a groundbreaking revelation that could reshape our understanding of the entire universe. Furthermore, the investigation into extraterrestrial life isn't just about finding aliens. It's also a valuable tool for expanding our knowledge of the conditions that support life. When we study different environments where life could possibly exist, we gain insights into the various forms life might take and the limits it can push. For instance, the discovery of extremophiles here on Earth has broadened our horizons when considering potential habitats for life on other celestial bodies. In addition to expanding our understanding, the search for extraterrestrial life has been a driving force behind technological innovation. It's prompted the development of more sensitive telescopes and instruments for identifying exoplanets and has led to advancements in the search for extraterrestrial intelligence, SETI. This quest for other life forms has sparked innovation across a wide range of fields, from astronomy to biology. So, it's not just about finding aliens. It's about pushing the boundaries of our knowledge and technology. Let's keep our finger on the pulse of the most recent developments in the field of astrobiology and the search for extraterrestrial life. While these findings haven't definitely proven the existence of alien life, they have certainly pushed the boundaries of our knowledge. Exoplanets. Thanks to advanced space telescopes like Kepler, we have identified thousands of exoplanets. Many of these planets are in the habitable zones of their stars. Mars exploration. Recent missions to Mars, including the Mars rovers and the Mars Science Laboratory, have uncovered evidence of water in the planet's history. The discovery of intriguing objects like Oumuamua, the first interstellar visitor to our solar system, has ignited conversations about the possibility of extraterrestrial probes or artifacts. These recent developments are taking us closer to unlocking the mysteries of the universe. Now, the main journey takes us deeper into the mysterious discovery of mummified beings in Mexico. These enigmatic mummies look remarkably human, but support some unusual features that have sparked the curiosity of many. The idea that they might be extraterrestrial beings is undeniably captivating, but it's crucial that we hunt for the evidence and explore possible explanations. Taking a closer look at these mysterious mummies found in Mexico, their discovery is undeniably puzzling. If it had just been one mummy, we might have considered the possibility of it being a deformed or altered human. However, the fact that there are two separate mummies with similar characteristics leaves little room for such an explanation. One of the most intriguing aspects is how closely these entities resemble humans in terms of their overall body structure. They have 2 hands, 2 arms, 2 legs, and other typical human-like features. It's in the details of their extremities and heads where we find the most striking differences. And that's where the questions start to pile up. Let's explore the distinctive features of these mummies. Number 1, 3-fingered hands. Perhaps the most eye-catching difference is the presence of 3 fingers on each hand, which stands in contrast to the usual human count of 5 fingers. This unique characteristic has a strong resemblance to depictions of extraterrestrial beings often seen in popular science fiction and media. Number 2, enlarged head. These mummies have heads that are noticeably larger than those of humans. The striking similarity to the way aliens are portrayed in old cartoons and media only deepens the mystery and fascination surrounding them. Number 3, bone in the nose. What adds an extra layer of intrigue is the presence of bones in their nose. In humans, the nose contains cartilage, a flexible tissue, and this has remained consistent throughout human history. The cartilage disintegrates with the passage of time, and when mummified, humans have an open nose cavity. The discovery of actual bones in the noses of these mummies is a truly unusual feature that piques our curiosity about their origin. Now, as we dive deeper into the possibilities, it's crucial to keep a balanced perspective. We are faced with the question of whether these mummies are genuinely of extraterrestrial origin. The answer could go either way, affirming that we have encountered beings from beyond our world, or suggesting that it might be a case of ancient manipulation or artistic expression that has led to the creation of these unusual mummies. Exploring the possibilities presents a set of challenges when it comes to determining the potential alien origin of these mummies. Number 1, ancient artifacts. Some skeptics suggest that these mummies might be the result of ancient cultural practices, possibly created for artistic expression or ceremonial purposes. Another possibility is that they're a modern and intricate lie designed to capture the public's imagination. Number 2, physical evidence and scientific investigation. To confirm whether these mummies are indeed evidence of extraterrestrial life, a rigorous scientific examination is essential. This would involve conducting DNA testing, carbon dating, and other forensic investigations to establish their true origin. Only through careful and methodical analysis can we hope to unlock the truth behind these enigmatic discoveries. If these mummies were indeed of extraterrestrial origin, it would also open up a world of profound implications and spark a multitude of questions. Number 1, the purpose and method of their visit. Why did they choose to come to Earth? And how did they manage to make the journey? Exploring their motivation and the technology they used for interstellar traveler would be a captivating endeavor. Number 2, their homeworld. Learning about their planet of origin would provide valuable insights into their civilization, environment, and the conditions they may have shaped their existence. Number 3, their impact on Earth. Understanding what these beings accomplished during their time on Earth and the influence they had on our planet's history and development would be a remarkable study. These questions only scratch the surface, and they represent just a fraction of the inquiries that would arise if these mummies were indeed confirmed to be of extraterrestrial origin. The implications would be monumental and reshape our understanding of the cosmos. Thanks for joining us on this intriguing journey into the possibility of alien existence and the discovery of enigmatic mummies in Mexico. If you found this video fascinating, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more mind-boggling content. Stay curious, and we'll see you in the next video.